Hello viewers, how are you all? I hope you viewers are pretty fine and good. God bless you. Always be happy in your life. Always be keep smile. So dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, today you will see in this video our place and stylish. You will see in this video stylish wall sticker designs, mirror wall decoration ideas, mirror wall clock decoration designs in 2023. So lovely viewers, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any videos and any collections of my channel. Very beautiful and stylish you will see in this video 30 plus new all outstanding mirror wall clock decoration design. So dear viewers, please share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring new all attractive mirror wall clock decoration designs. So there's a huge variety of designs in these videos. So guys, I might suggest it, just keep on watching these videos till the end. So dear viewers, if you like my videos, so viewers please download it my videos and you like this one stylish mirror wall clock decoration design, so take a screenshot and save your mobile. So there's a huge variety of designs in this videos, stylish mirror wall clock decoration designs. Lovely viewers, I will make a similar videos and present it in front of you. You watch all modern mirror wall clock decoration designs. So dear viewers, thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos. So take care friends.